What is the best financial advice you've ever received?
Invest in assets, not liabilities.
What is the worst financial advice you've ever received?
The way to build wealth is saving your money.
So true.
The pattern that creates millionaires and wealthy people is make and invest. Make and invest, make and invest. If you save, it's undefined. All right, so it's just a lump of money sitting in a savings account making no money. As you make money, make it the pattern of creating what I call a wealth cycle. You're going to make it, you're going to invest it, you're going to make it, invest it. Even if you start with a little bit of money every month, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, you get your kids and you put it in a Roth IRA, grows tax-free, tax-deferred. There's too many people that are 60, 70, and 80 that are going back to the workforce because they don't have enough money and they never put it away. So when you make it, invest it, you set the pattern up for you and your kids for a lifetime.
You work, you'll never create wealth. Okay, you want to write this down. Well, no matter how hard you work, okay, Kevin can work his ass off. He can work 20 hours a day. He will never create wealth working. He will only create wealth when he invests.
If you have money in the bank, you're getting poor every day. You just got poorer today. The government's going to print money. You're going to have inflation. When there's inflation and the government prints money, you know who it hurts? It doesn't hurt rich people. Rich people have assets. They have houses. They have stocks. All that goes up. It goes up with inflation. It goes up with the printing of money. It doesn't hurt really even the poor people because the poor people don't have any money for it to hurt. It hurts the middle class. So if you're in the middle class, don't save all your money. You need to invest it.
Put that money in your savings account in the bank to keep it safe and earn some interest. The bank then gives your money to a borrower in the form of a loan. The borrower then pays back the loan plus the interest to the bank. At the end of the month, your bank says, here's your $100 and here's the small amount of interest we promised you.
So anybody in the room that's got money in the bank, sorry, you're financially illiterate. You get an F. It's ridiculous.
A penny is a penny. A penny saved is not a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny depreciated. And a dollar saved is a dollar depreciated. And $100 saved is $100 depreciated. And $1,000 saved is $1,000 depreciated. And your money becomes worth at least 2% less every year you're alive. Every dollar in your pocket today is only going to be worth at most 98 cents a year from now. And you saving money. I wish I thought I'd be saving some money. That must be some kind of out of my mind. If you take a penny invested, might be 6 pennies earned. $100 invested might be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, $20 earned. There's a difference between saving and investing. Saving money doesn't make sense. You're saving something that becomes worth less over time. Rich people don't save money, we invest it. We invest it because time makes money more valuable if it's invested correctly. Time can make money more valuable, and money can make time more valuable. People think that the quality of their life is created by the number of years of experience they have doing a thing. But I submit to you that the quality of your life is determined by the number of